This video tutorial will walk students through how to submit work in chalk and wire using their learning management system. In this demonstration, we will be using D2L Brightspace. If your school uses Blackboard, Moodle, Canvas, Sakai, or another system, the same steps will apply to you as the process is very similar in all systems. Once you are logged into your learning management system, navigate to the course for which you need to submit work. Once in the course, navigate to the area where your assignments are listed. Click on the specific assignment that you need to submit. If this is a chalk and wire assignment, you will then be directed to the submission area in your chalk and wire account. To add your work, click on Add Content. To add documents, images, or videos, click Add File. Drag and drop your file or click Choose Files to select the file from your computer. You can also select files previously uploaded to your Chalk and Wire account by selecting the File Library option. Alternatively, you can select files from your Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive account. Once you are finished adding the desired files, click Insert Files. If you wish to add text to the page, click Add Content, followed by Text Block. Click Insert Content here if you see this option below. You can then enter your text and click Save, followed by Close. To complete your submission, click on the green Submit button. Next, you will be prompted to enter the name of your assessor. This is your instructor or individual who will be grading your work. Start typing their first or last name into the field provided and click on their name from the list that appears below. Click on the blue Submit button. At this time, your submission will be confirmed as submitted. If you wish to review the work that you just submitted, you can do so now. Another method for confirming your work has been submitted successfully, as well as for reviewing your assessment results, is to use the main menu to select My Results. This screen will show you all of the work that you have submitted via your Chalk and Wire account, and once graded, your assessment results as well. To review the rubric scores and comments entered by your instructor, click on the desired submission and choose either View Summary or View Details. For support, please use either your school's information at the bottom left of your screen, or click on the main menu to select Help and then User Guide. Click on Student. On the left, you will see topics associated with the student workflow. You can also search at the top of the page. Search results will be listed. Click on a result to see more information on the steps needed to accomplish that task. Back on the Help menu, click Request Support if you are having a technical issue that Campus Lab support needs to be aware of directly. For additional information and support, visit our support documentation website or contact us.